I needed this one for another building, so that's great. But I did that earlier and wound up needing it for a completely different building, so again, what I was saying earlier, sometimes you make plans and then you have to adjust. It's just the way it is. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Alright, doing the preventative maintenance. I remember this unit, I replaced the disconnect a little while back. Still need to refoam this in. That's a different story. Okay. Look, I found a cover that I needed. I needed this one for another building, so that's great. But I did that earlier and wound up needing it for a completely different building, so again, what I was saying earlier, sometimes you make plans and then you have to adjust. It's just the way it is. Okay, our disconnects are all pulled. I'm going to be testing the next two units here. Seeing if we can keep some dinosaurs alive. This one, the capacitor, looks pretty tired. It's got a different compressor on there, but I can't even read anything on the compressor, really. Okay. Wow. Original contactor. So I got to discharge the capacitor. Capacitor holds a charge in it even after the power is disconnected. This is a dual cap. Alright, here's our fan side. Here's common. Hard start kit. And then Herm. Yellow wire by itself back there with the hard start kit. Okay. I'll be surprised if this thing is good. But this is why we're here. To go after these. And I don't know what size it is yet, so I'm just going to measure it. So we'll go common to fan, which is normally a 5 on my units. Got nothing. So this would have been a no cool call for sure when the hot season comes, and then go into the I got nothing. We got a bad cap. So I'll pull it and remeasure it. But yep, that's why we're here, preventing those no cool calls. And I'm surprised I haven't been called out. I've had days over 90 degrees already. See the kind of burn marks on this one. What do we got? It's a GE and it's a 35.5. I got a, I don't know what brand compressor it is. D100 03 BWOB3. Yeah, I don't know. I can take a photo of that and research it later. Obviously this unit's been working all this time. It's probably about 15 years old. So it's still working. I'll take a photo of the plate here and I'll try to research it later. And maybe that's just the serial number. I'm not sure. Yesterday I was trying to research these as I was doing them, and they ate up my phone battery and it didn't go quite as well as I would have liked it to. Okay, I saved a 35.5 from another unit yesterday. That was good, so I'll use that today. Oh, it's a 40. Shoot. I thought I saved the 35.5. Did I not save it? Oh, man. I didn't save it. Now I'm going to have to get a little more creative. I've got to split a dual cap because I don't have a separate one. It's not a bad thing because for the future it makes it easier to replace stuff. So here's a 35 for the hard start kit. It's going to go one lead to each side. Okay. There we go. So on our fan we're going to have to split off and do separate. So here's the start wire, the Herm. On one side by itself. There we go. And then the common wires in the front. And I saved a there we go, it's nice and tight. Here's the fan, and then here's the common for the fan. Okay, and then now we're going to make our jumper and hook up a 5 here. And I'll need a cable strap or something to tie it up with. Here's the jumper. We're going to jump this to the common. There we go. I'm going to find a cable strap real quick. I think my last cable strap, I need to resupply my bag. There we go. Make our deal right here. Got a nice Titan Pro going. Shoot. Oh, I need a new lead on that. Okay. No problem. Got those. Bag. Okay. Hold on, another connection here. Oops. There we go. Probably going to be easier to start with this back there. Not so happy with my crimp. With my jumper wire at the beginning. You know what? I actually don't like the solid core wire for a jumper wire. So let's see, I've got something in my bag better. And also, what I saved was when I had a fan motor go bad, I saved the brown and white wire. It's more symbolic of the actual color that's correct for the common fan wire. So kind of makes more sense to me. So let's strip this off and use that instead. There we go. Make sure we didn't lose any wire strands. And we did not, so that's good. And I'll crimp on a connection on there instead. That's much better. Okay. A little easier to work with. There we go, nice solid crimp. Okay. There we go. And there we go. Nice solid connections. Nice and solid. There we go. Okay, so now our fan is all hooked up, and now we'll plug this one in to verify everything's good. Disconnect right back there. All right. Now we'll test this out. Remember that disconnect, I had a loose connection. Here we go. Alright, that motor's going the correct way. Pressure's nice and cool. Just over and taking the amp draw reading. I had 8.5 before I lost connection on the contactor, so that's good. The compressor didn't sound the best, didn't sound the worst either, but okay, this one's done. On to the next. May need a bit more research on this one. So this is the one that the disconnect was replaced on. I actually have a plate here, and I noticed a few of these plates are missing, so I'm going to recover that and reuse that along with the cover I mentioned earlier. So that'll come in handy in the future. It's not as critical for units that are on the roof, but it's right for them to have them. Units on the ground, much more critical. Everything all around, making sure that all the screws, every last screw is in on the ground, and making sure that every cover is secured. Much more critical. On the roof, gonna get away with a little bit more, but you want to make it as good as you can. Make things good. Okay, so I'm gonna discharge capacitor. Capacitor holds a charge in it even after the power is disconnected. There's our fan leads. Here was our common side, and then the Herm. This one's a 40/5. Let's see how this is holding up. Actually replaced this at the same time as I did the disconnect, just around the same time. And, it should be still good, but it's a subcut, so we're gonna see. Microfarad setting. Okay, we got common and Herm for the 40. 40.4, it's good. And common and fan for the 5, 4.9, so that's good. So we're good there. Hook it back up and we're off. Alright, so the phone ring, that's how it is. Here's the Herm hard start kit, and then the common, one lead to each side. The Herm gets a yellow start wire. Common gets the common wires, purple and red, and then the fan gets the brown wire all by itself. Good. Okay, plug in my disconnect. This one, I like the disconnects that hold the fuses inside. I don't like the ones that you just pull out the little deal, because it can be easy for someone to wire them wrong, the other kind, and then get power in the wrong spot, which I've discussed quite a bit in a few other videos. Okay, let's test this out. It's a good idea to clear things out there too. Alright. Yeah. Very nice. feel very cold yet. There it goes. Starting to get cold now. I don't like how this is rubbing up against here, so I'm going to actually move this a little ways away. It's better. And it's getting nice and cold. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
There's a